fourth industrial revolution is ongoing, and the traditional manufacturing industry is facing transformation and upgrading. Automation system plays the vital role for enterprise to implement intelligent manufacturing. It enables enterprise to achieve higher productivity, better products reliability, and greater profitability. As a first-class automation system provider, Onesto is your reliable partner. Onesto is engaged in offering complete tailor-made solutions for automated system engineering design, equipment manufacturing, system integration, software and hardware development, installation and training. Onesto concentrates on every detail from mechanical structure design to components purchase, processing and assembly, system debugging and testing. Taking into full consideration of customers' manufacturing process with its worldwide famous component supplier, Onesto perceives its commitment to provide safe, reliable, efficient, flexible, and practicable automated equipment for customers. By adopting its advanced pneumatic technology, hydraulic technology, transfer technology, automation control technology, artificial intelligence technology, sensor technology, and network communication technology, Onesto automation system could realize the automation of parts loading, transmission, location, tipping, assembly, online testing, identification and classification. Labeling and packaging in manufacturing process. The whole system is of standard modular design with individual control system which can run separately or integrated into the whole assembly line. The equipment has the versatility of an interchangeable gripper for different products manufacturing, which helps enterprise to reduce investment cost in case of product upgrading. The system forms an entire network on which the equipment running status and production details could be monitored. The system provides human-machine interface displaying real-time production information for safe and easy operation. Onesto automation system is widely utilized in low-voltage electrical products manufacturing. The applicable products include miniature circuit breaker, molded case circuit breaker, AC contactor, wall swoop, and terminal blocks, etc. Nowadays, the market is full of tough challenge and intense competition. With its up-to-date technology and abundant experience, Onesto is ready to create new competitive advantages with partners side by side and lay solid foundation for enterprise future continuously development.